Nice Jiangsu, nice Yancheng. 你好，你好。
This is my first time being in China. The nature of this place and being at this reservation has really just showed me the beauty of China. The cranes here are absolutely beautiful.
I enjoyed seeing the red-crowned cranes. I think that how they stand on one leg is very unique and reminds me of seeing flamingos in zoos back home. I think it's very important to protect these animals and preserve the biodiversity in our world, especially with the red-crowned cranes.
Getting to learn from different people, different cultures, it's very great. Just being bonded together. I don't really have an opportunity to talk to a lot of Chinese students being from America, so just this opportunity is really great, and I'm grateful to get to talk to them and learn from them and learn about their way of life.
I wrote that I'm so impressed by everything here and that the cranes were so beautiful. I was so impressed looking around at just the beauty of everything. I'm just overwhelmed by everywhere I look, there's something gorgeous. I was so impressed by all of the photographs inside and in the wetlands themselves. The cranes and the elk were so beautiful.